Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching sample rates and importing your audio so you're working with clean material. Open Audacity, confirm the project rate at the lower left, then import each file. Once imported, zoom horizontally so you can see waveforms clearly and enable the time ruler and snapta for precise placement. This reduces guesswork. Make sure tracks are unmuted and not locked. Finally, set the selection tool and click near an obvious transient to mark a shared reference point before you begin aligning. Now align tracks using waveforms and the time shift tool. Identify a clear transient, like a clap or kick, and place the cursor on that peak across tracks. Switch to time shift and drag tracks so those peaks line up. Once done, hold shift or zoom in for 1/10 and smaller adjustments. If waveforms are messy, toggle spectrogram view to find matching frequency hits. Make short test plays of 1-2 seconds to confirm alignment before committing with edits or mixing. Finish by trimming excess silence, adding short crossfades where clips butt together, and normalizing levels so balance is consistent. Listen in mono to reveal phase problems. If halves cancel, invert one track's phase and recheck alignment. For stubborn echo or comb filtering, nudge the track by small increments. Start with plus or minus 1 millisecond to find the sweet spot. Once satisfied, export a mixed track. If alignment drifts, re-examine sample rates and re-import to avoid hidden resampling mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.